Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the laptop is capable. Check CPU, RAM, and disk health. You need stable storage and network access. Once confirmed, backup existing files and make a bootable USB with a lightweight server OS or NAS distro so you can deploy quickly. Next, reboot into BIOS, set USB as the first boot device, and disable Secure Boot when required. These steps allow the new system to boot cleanly. Make sure firmware is updated if it's older than 2 years. Once the OS is installed, create a non-root user and enable SSH with key authentication so you can manage the machine remotely and securely. Next, prepare your storage. Partition disks, set up LVM or software RAID for redundancy, and mount volumes under predictable paths so services find data. Then install your chosen service, Nextcloud for full cloud features, Samba for LAN shares, or SFTP for simple transfers, and configure user accounts, quotas. Finish by hardening the system. Enable the firewall, set automatic updates, change default service ports, and install fail2ban to block repeated attacks. Once done, configure network access, use dynamic DNS or a static IP, and set router port forwarding or use a VPN for secure remote connections. Test uploads, downloads, and scheduled backups. Monitor logs for errors. If something fails, check permissions and mounted paths first. Most issues come from incorrect mounts or permission mismatches. Fix those and restart the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.